Hello peeps, and it's day 11 of the calendar opening. We got Blonde Alfie today, again, and it's not sponsored by Galaxy or the postcode lottery. So day 11 Alfie, we go out the calendar mate and see what we got. Day 11, right, here we go. Day 11, we have got, stay. We got a Christmas present, Do you want a bit? No. Thank you very much. Anyway. Day 11 of the postcard. Day 11, here we go. The Gatton Trust has improved accessible The Gatton Trust has improved accessibility to the Japanese garden at Gatton Park in Reigate. Good. That's probably accessible for wheelchair people, people who can't really walk and stuff. Might have had a car park, I don't know. But I went to a Japanese garden on my birthday a few years ago. And it was really nice, really good. But yeah, anyway, well done to the Gatton Trust for improving the accessibility to the Japanese garden in Gatton Park in Reigate. Might have to go and have a little look one day when we can. Right, anyway, stay. You've just been watching Alfie the Elf, day 11 of the postcode lottery in Galaxy, and you've just been watching my chat on the 4K eyebrow. Cheers.